Good morning, students. Today we are going to see lesson number first, geography, local time and standard time. Now, first question, let's recall. Why does the duration of day and night keep changing? Answer: the earth is tilted at an angle 23 degree point 5, so the duration of day and night it is always keep changing. Second number question, how many longitudes can be drawn on a world map keeping on an interval of 1 degree each? So answer is 360 degree longitudes can be drawn on a world map keeping an interval of 1 degree each. Third question, the apparent movement of the sun from east to west is a result of what? The result it is the rotation of the earth from west to east. Next question, what is the direction of rotation of the earth? The direction of the rotation of the earth is west to east. While the earth rotates, how many longitude face the sun daily? 360 longitudes are face the sun daily. At which longitude does the date change? On 180 degrees longitude always did the change. How was time measured in olden days? Time measured in olden days by the Shatika Patra, sand clock, shadow clock and calendar. In the present time, what are the instruments used for the time measurement? In present time, we are using the watches and calendar for the use of time management. Now we are going to see the geographical explanation. You can zoom the picture and you can see the images. Okay. Now we get up early in the morning, brush our teeth and take a bath. Then we have breakfast and go to the school. We study in our classroom. We return home. We go to the playground to play in the evening. We have dinner, brush our teeth and go to sleep. We keep doing similar activities throughout the day. Considering our daily routine, we need to decide the time for all activities. What we should decide? We should decide the time for all our activities. In olden days, people used to take the help of various tools and also depend on various natural events for the measurement of time. Okay, I said you that the Shatika Patra, sand clock, shadow clock and calendar, like that people are in olden days they are using the time measurement tools. Okay, on the basis of observation and experience, they divided the day into following parts. How? See, from sunrise to sunset it is a daytime. From sunrise to sunset it is a daytime, and from sunset to next sunrise it is a night time. From sunset to next sunrise it is a night time. A whole day means the duration from one sunrise to next. A whole day means 24 hours. It is a mean duration of one sunrise to next. Okay. Earlier natural events and instruments like Ghatika Patra, a bowl with a minute hole at its base which would float in a large water filled vessel. It's a one kind of instrument that in olden days they are using this for the measuring time. Sand timer, you know the sand timer, I think. Okay, were used to tell time in a olden days. The earth takes 24 hours, that is one day, to complete one rotation. You know about the rotation. Okay, earth take to around herself, she take the 24 hours for the complete one rotation. We consider the direction where the sun rises to the east. The sun rises to be east. Thus the earth rotates from the west to east. We see that every day sun rises from the east. Okay, but earth rotates from west to east. As a result, we experience that sun rises to be in the east. Okay, as a result, we experience sunrise, noon, sunset and midnight. Okay, during rotation, the longitude in the western part face the sun gradually, while those in east experience darkness. When the during the rotation, the longitude in a western part, if sun is gradually on the western part, so in a eastern part past, it is a darkness. The longitude which face the sun experience sunrise, while on the other hand the one in the dark ones experience sunset. Okay. Now while traveling in a bus, always oftenly we are traveling in a bus, we often see trees, electric poles, building, etc. outside in the window. Outside in the window, they appear to be moving in the opposite side. What it is appears, it is moving in the opposite direction. Actually, they are steady. Our bus is moving forward. They are steady, but our bus is moving forward. So similarly, because of the rotation of the earth, we feel that sun is changing its position east to the west daily. Like that only our bus is moving. Like that we are moving, means earth is moving, and we appears that sun is moving. Okay, so sun is not actually moving, earth is moving, and because of that we feels that sun is moving, or the sun is rising from east to west. Okay. Now one activity is given, 1.1. In a 7th standard you done that activity. Once again we are going to see this activity. Choose one pole on the ground and stays under the sun for the whole day for this activity. Observe you can see in the picture, page number 1. Observe the direction in which the shadow of this pole falls at different times of a day. Means first you should see 8 o'clock morning, then 10 o'clock, then 12 o'clock, then 2 o'clock, then 4 o'clock. Like that you should see the timing, differ times, differ position of the shadow. Okay. Measure the shadow and record your note in your notebooks. Note the relative direction of the shadow and the sun in your notebook. Where is the sun located in the sky when shadow is the shortest? When shadow was the shortest, you should see where was the sun. You can see in the picture that is a noon 12 p.m. means in a midday. Okay. At what time are the shadow longest during the day? I think in morning 8 a.m. and evening 4 a.m. Sorry, evening 4 p.m. That is the shadow longest during the day. Okay. Now next, you would have realized by the observation that shadow in the early morning and evening were the longest, while those at the noon where it is the shortest. Because of all the changes, the apparent location of the sun in the sky, the length and the direction of the shadow of the pole kept changing. Why it is happening? Apparent movement of the sun in the sky. Understand? That is because of that the shadow of the pole kept changing. See figure 1.1 in a page number first. You can see figure 1.1. This is because the specific part of the earth faced the sun during the rotation. You can see in the picture also 1.2. Okay. Incidentally, we also experienced that the cooler in the morning and evening and warmer in the afternoon. Means direct sunlights are coming, or a straight sunlight are coming on a 12 noon. So on a 12 noon we are feeling very warm, and in the morning and evening it is a crossed sunlights are coming to the earth or coming to our place. So it is the in morning and evening it is a cooler than the afternoon. You can see in a figure 1.2. As soon as the sun starts moving up in the sky after sunrise, length of our shadow reduces. Normally, the length of shadow it is shortest at the noon. Normally, the length of the shadow it is shortest at the noon. As the sun moves towards the horizon in the afternoon, the length of the shadow increases again by evening. Again, it is started increasing after 12 p.m. and it is started to increase. The noon time is the same at given longitude across the earth, that is from the north pole to south pole. The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as the local time. What is the local time? See, the time of place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky for that particular place. It is known as the local time. In the region lying in between the polar circles and the poles, the daytime could be more than 24 hours. Where it is a daytime, it is more than 24 hours. Region, the polar circles and poles. Okay, it is a depending upon the season. As a result, understanding the timing of sunrise, noon, sunset and midnight at these places become important. At the poles, the daytime and the duration of the day last around 6 months. See, it is very surprising. The daytime and duration of the day last around 6 months. To tell the time of sunrise and sunset at the pole, one has considered the date. They are considering the date. When the sun rises on the specific day, it moves around the horizon, and therefore here the length of the shadow cannot be considered for the telling the noon time. In our area, we can consider the poles for the telling the local time or a noon time, but there it is a more sometimes it is a 6 months daytime it is, so we can't consider the pole time or noon time there. Okay, now different longitudes have different timing for sunrise, noon and sunset. When it is noon at Mumbai, it wouldn't be same at a Kolkata, because Kolkata lies in the east of the Mumbai. It would already be afternoon in Kolkata. Okay, in a longitude have different timing in of sunrise. The local time of a place on Earth's surface is determined with references to its noon time. This implies that places lying on the same longitude have the same local time. Which places having same longitude, they only have the same local time. But which places are another longitudes, different longitude, they have not a same local time. There is no difficulty when local time is used for a small area. It is no difficulty to use the local time in a small area, but when people living in a larger area across the different longitudes have to interact with each other, then using the local time could lead to choose and confusion. It make confusion when in a one country, but so many far longitudes are there, it is a make such a confusion. In such cases, using the local time is not convenient. So in such cases, we should not use the local time to as a convenient. Okay, there are two examples are there. You can see the local. First example I am going to see tell you. The local time of place can be calculated with the reference to time at prime meridian. Examine the example given below. First example, Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on a 60-degree east longitude. When it is a 12 noon at the Greenwich, calculate local time is Mashhad's town. So first we are going to see the statement. As we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time is increases by 4 minutes. Per longitude it is increases by the 4 minutes in a east. Okay, the differ between the longitudes of the Greenwich and Mashhad, it is equal to 60 degree. Already they gave us. Differs in a local time is it means 60 multiplied by 4 is equal to 240 minutes. So it is, we should convert it in hours. So 240 divided by 60, so it is a 4 hours. So what we see that time it is increases in a east. So what we should do 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 means after 12 4 hours we should consider. The time implies that time at Mashhad would be after 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 4. Okay, so 4 in the noon. Like that. Now second number example we are going to see. Manaus city in Brazil is located on a 60-degree west longitude. Where is living 60-degree west. So what we should do? We will decrease the longitude. Okay, what would be the local time of Manaus when the 12 noon at the Greenwich? So first we are going to see the statement. What is the statement? As we move towards the west of the prime meridian, the local time decreases by the 4 minutes every longitude. Okay, the difference in a longitude between the two places, what it is? What it is the difference? 60 degrees. The deferred time, it is a 60 multiplied by 4 is equal to again 240 minutes. Then 240 divided by 60 minutes means and again 4 hours. But what it is happens in a first example, we go to the towards the east, but in the next now example we are going to the west. So what we should do? We are going back 4 hours. We are going back 4 hours. So as Manus located in the west of Greenwich, the local time of Manus is behind of Greenwich time by 4 hours, and therefore when it is a noon at Greenwich, it would be the 8 in the morning at Manus. Okay, 8. How? 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Understand? That previous time what we done? We plus the 4 because it is increases in a east and it is decreases in a west. Understood? Now next, we have studied that local time is different in different parts of the world. The daily routine of the people that is determined according to local time in those places. Figure 1.3 shows the local time of different longitude. Study this map. 1.3, it is considered on 1.3. Okay, 1.3 shows the local time of different longitude. Study this map and answer the following question. Use the relation between degrees and time for this. Okay, first question, between which longitude does the region experience daytime? Answer, it is 90 degree west and 90 degree east. Which longitude experience noon and the midnight respectively? 0 degree and 180 degree longitude. Okay, now Edward from New Orleans is on which longitude? See in the picture. Okay, 90 degree west longitude. What is the time of Accra city? See, it is at 12 noon. At the same time, what is the Sharad from Patna and Yaketo from Japan doing? What time it is this in this city? So Sharad is returning home from the school and Yaketo is going to sleep, and their timing is Sharad's timing, it is from Patna 5:30 p.m. and Japan's timing, Yaketo's timing, it is 9:20 p.m. Okay, select any one longitude, calculate the local time and longitude lying 1 degree to the west and east of the longitude. It is a homework or it is a extra activity for you. Okay, now next, take the time in the boxes which you can tell without using clock. Without using clock, which timing we can understand or we can find. Okay, first sunrise, yes we can see. Sunset, yes without clock we can understand that is sunset also. Noon also without clock, but midnight we can't we can't tell without using the clock. We should see the clock and then only we can say that it is a midnight or not. Okay, now next, longitudes lying to the east of the longitude are ahead of time and longitude while lying the west are behind. From that two example we see that when longitude lying to the east it is ahead and longitude to the west it is behind. As the distance between two longitude increases, their local times also start differs. If distance it is start increases, their local times also started to differ. If we multiply the difference between the longitudes in the degree by 4 minutes, then the difference of respective local time can be calculated. Okay, each degree 4 minutes. Understand? The difference in a longitude can be known with the help of the globe or a map. Carry out the activity given on page 75, you can see 75 page number and 76, and understand the standard time and various location. See if you can find the standard time at two opposite longitude with this activity. Now we are going to see the standard time. Mumbai is located as the 73 degree east longitude and Kolkata is located 88 degree east longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of the two cities. You should calculate it and tell us. Okay. If the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what would be the local time of Kolkata? Now I am going to explain it. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India on a different longitudes. Their local time differ by an hour. Differ by an hour. If there are different local times within a country become a longitude because of the longitudinal difference, then there will be lack of coordination in the routine activities in the country. It is a lack of coordination for the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, the confusion will be started in a business in the daily route in a country. Therefore, generally the local time as the longitude which generally passed through the middle of the country. See, again I am telling to you. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for that country. Understand? Which longitude it is in the middle of the country. That longitude's timing it is the same to that whole over country standard time. Okay. With the respect to the businesses at the global level, there should be compatibility between the standard time and various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. How many time zones are there? World has divided in a 24 time zones. These time zones have been created with the reference to the prime meridian itself. Normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered the fall for the country. But if the longitudinal extent is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries more than one standard time zones are considered. Okay. How see? If difference between the longitudinal extents of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, it is okay. One standard time is considered in that country. But longitudinal extent means east to west extent it will be there. The more than it, then the one standard time it is not enough for such a countries. So they are using the standard time zones they are considering. Okay. Now we are going to see the Indian standard time. Okay. The Indian standard time IST has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 inches east longitude which passes through the Mirzapur. From where? Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country which references to the longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as a standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then the assumed that 12 noon everywhere in India. On that longitude, if sun is overheaded, then what it is happening? 12 noon everywhere in India. Okay, there is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time and local time at 82 degree 30 inches and other places in the country. Now on a page number 6, one activity is there, some questions are there. You should see those questions and answer those questions in your notebook. Now next, universal standard time. For an international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich in England is considered to be the international standard time. Okay. The difference in the standard time of various countries is calculated with the reference to GMT. GMT means Greenwich Mean time. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Indian Standard Time it is ahead of GMT. How many hours? 5 hours 30 minutes. If it is a 5 p.m. at the Greenwich, then India would be the 10:30 p.m. in India. Okay. Now we are going to see the NPL, National Physical Laboratory information. National Institute of Standard and Technology, an institute, it is the United States of America, has developed in the most accurate clocks in the world. Clocks have been adjusted by the 1 second also and 20 million years. Once in a 20 million years. In India, the National Physical Laboratory of India, NPL, New Delhi, gives services of accurate timekeeping for whole our country. The clocks used here are accurate up to 1 lakh part of the second. How many part they made? See, 1 lakh part of the second they made. As accurate time is required for the space research, artificial satellites launching it, etc. These clocks are used in this activity. Now, on page number 7, Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar information is given. You should read it very carefully and solve the exercise on page number 8. Here our lesson number first it is completed.